We are from class 2. My name is Akshita. Yesterday we learned about different types of plants around us. So we would like to share and show them about the different plants around us are shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. My name is Sam Rasai. I would like to share about shrubs. Shrubs are small plant with strong woody stem. Plant like hibiscus, lemon, and rose are shrubs. My name is Tisha. I would like to share about herbs. Herbs are small plant with soft stems. Plants like tomato, sunflower, and mustard are herbs. My name is Anishta. Let us know about creepers. Creepers too have weak stems, but instead of climbing with support, they grow along the ground. Plants like watermelon and pumpkin are creepers, creeping along the ground. My name is Amradina Agnesi. It's my time to share about climbers. Climbers have very weak stems. They are unable to stand on their own and need support like a wand or a tree to climb. Plants like money plant, ivy and pea are climbers. We learn everything from the nature. If we save the nature, saves the trees and the trees save us. Thank you all.